how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram in the easiest way. So basically, it's pretty simple. First of all, you're going to want to make sure you have a professional account, okay? Or maybe a business account, whatever you want to go with. They both work the same. So once you create a professional account for yourself on Instagram, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to go into your messages section. Now, it's not necessary that you get this because only the people who are either verified or just have a lot of following on Instagram can get this. So, if you have a lot of following and if you have a professional account, all you're going to go do is go here, click on this, choose the number of people you want to create a broadcast with, and, just tap on create broadcast channel, enter your channel name, and your broadcast is going to be created. So yeah, that's the basic idea of how you're going to create a broadcast channel. It's pretty simple, and it's not going to appear for all of you, but for those who appear, you can create it pretty simply. To obviously make it appear for you, you're going to have to qualify for it, so get a lot of followers, and that is when you can create it. Or if you still want it, you can contact the help center at Instagram, and they should help you out. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.